short session, let's understand what is Power BI and what we are going to learn in our classes from scratch, right from the basics. This is Sai Panindra from SQL School. I assure you, complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. In this short session, let's understand what is Power BI. Power BI, a set of analytic tools to design reports and dashboards. Simply say, add color to your data. Very helpful and very useful analytics, cloud computing activities for our resume and day-to-day job work. Example Power BI reports that we are going to generate in our initial classes on my screen. The main advantage of Power BI: cheaper, easier, user-friendly, and faster analytics with cloud reporting as well as non-cloud report hosting. This Power BI course, the detailed course, step-by-step activities will be helpful for BI developers, engineers, analysts, data scientists, and everyone. How to get into it? Step number one, let's learn and practice database concepts SQL and MS SQL, Microsoft SQL. Please invest 3 weeks in learning this beautiful item, the starter part. Then comes the main course, Power BI, complete course, complete ecosystem with 7 different tools, 2 technologies, and 2 hosting environments. For starter resume, step 1, step 2 should be enough. For experienced resumes, step 3 is highly recommended. You opt for either Azure Data Engineering course or Python. Azure Data Engineering 2 months extra journey, useful for data engineers, BI developers, and DP 600 examination. Python is a 1 month journey, mainly useful for data analysts, business analysts, and data scientists. You can opt for any one of these 2 options. Any one should be fine. Now, what are these numbers? DP 600, DA 100 are the certifications from Microsoft. For our resume, it's highly recommended to have our certification, at least one certification. Core Power BI, we have PL 300, whereas Power BI with data engineer, PL, say DP 600, or Power BI with Python, we have DA 100 certifications from Microsoft. Let's plan our resume carefully. The day-wise roster on the screen. I will be the trainer, and I am the only trainer from our school for SQL and Power BI technologies. You're aware of SQL, you can directly go for Power BI. If not, let's step into SQL first, then you can opt for Power BI one by one after the other. There is a dependency. Participants who are directly coming into Power BI, please make sure you revise day 1 to day 7 agenda items. Maybe you can learn on your own or from some other online resources or from us at SQL School, either live online or self-paced videos. It's up to you. But day 1 to 7, make sure you revise the concepts. Those basics should be fine to start Power BI. But towards the end, we have project work. To work on the real-time project for Power BI, we need to have all day 1 to 15 items with us. There is a dependency. With this information, coming to our training highlights. No second thought, no compromise. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch. 50 examples on DAX, 50 examples on Power Query, 50 examples on Cloud Service, with end-to-end implementations and PL 300 examination guidance. Part of our classes. Any further questions or clarifications, you can reach me on this number and glad to assist you. Hello, please tell me. Final part. Here is our class notes. We'll start from the introduction. Every day you have assignments. Sessions will be very much detailed step by step with good amount of synopsis and scenarios with various elements ready, making us ready for our job work. We'll make it in such a way things are very much simplified, straightforward. It's all about when to use which. And I said 50 plus examples on Power Query, 50 plus examples on DAX, 50 plus examples on Power BI Cloud. I'm pretty sure they will be enough to help us for a regular day-to-day job work. Need your support once you sign up for the course. I want to make it beautiful, useful, and colorful for our resume. So need your support on-time practice required. Any further questions, please reach me directly on this number or contact our team. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again. Let's meet for a live demo session to take it from there. Please reach us for the live demo session schedules and let's meet live. Let's understand more about your resume and profile to take it from there. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Take care. Signing off.